All right, so here is where with synchronous we would go through it together, but this is asynchronous. So what I would do, I got the link for you right there. You can check out the one I did for my portfolio. As you can see, it is very simple. It is just a white slide with the video and the cut from the portfolio and me telling them how to go through the lesson. Why not just make one long video, Mr. Gall? Because no one watches a long video. Um, and will this reach every student? No. Okay, but neither does live lesson. And I did notice that on some of the recordings that Mr. Huff and I did last semester, we did a recording for every single lesson. Um, you know, we were still getting a lot of students. We didn't promote it or anything. We just had them there on a virtual classroom, and we would have a lot of students still showing up to watch those. Is it going to reach every student? No. Is this perfect for every class? I am guessing not. I am Mr. Social Studies teacher, and I can really see how this could work for social studies. Okay, would this work for your class? That is for you to decide. But I'm telling you, it doesn't have to be that hard. Just going through each day's lesson, talking to your kids like they're there with you, keeping it short and sweet really might help a lot of students. And another thing that I'm going to start doing that I haven't started, but just had today because I went to a 504 meeting, is that when it comes to reading the part of the textbook, I'm going to read it because it'll take like 5 minutes. I'm going to read it to them, and maybe that'll help out some students. I don't know. We'll see. I'll look at the views on the YouTube to see how many people watched it. I hope you found this somewhat entertaining, or not entertaining, but useful. And like I said, it's not going to work for everybody, but we really need to realize, as much as we would not to be an asynchronous school, we are an asynchronous. Our students are coming to school every day and they click that planner. They really aren't thinking about us as much as they are thinking about getting through that lesson. So how can we help them get through that lesson? I'm going to be quiet now. And thank you for watching this recording. If you watched all of them, I will thank you very much. And all right, let me know if you have any questions. Just email me or hang out me. Don't Zoom me because I hate Zoom. Nope. Cancel. Stop. See, I hate Zoom.